everyone, today we're going to take a ride on the Perfect Day Cocoa Cay Zipline. So this is a zipline that goes across the entire island. Right here we are at the top of the first zipline of 3 of them. It goes right past Daredevil's Peak, which is the largest water slide in North America. If you have health issues, you might want to take this into consideration because you're going to be carrying your harness and your zip with you the entire time. Now there's 3 different lines. I'm going to show you 2 of them. So here's the first one. Now this was my first time using the GoPro, so you will see my harness in there. I didn't have the camera adjusted correctly. And as you can see, this zipline is done in stages. If you look on the far right, you're going to see actually the entrance to the second zip line. So the whole tour takes about 45 minutes, and there's not really a lot of walking involved. There's more or less climbing stairs. You're going to be climbing at least 3 to 5 flights of stairs per part of the zip line. Now, this is the 3rd zip line of all 3 zips. This goes right over the world's largest wave pool. Now, this was my favorite part of the zip line because you really get to see how close you are to land. Now, I've done this zip line 3 times. I would highly recommend it, especially if you're not afraid of heights. It's a great way to see the island, and I do this just about every single time I'm at Cocoa Cay. It is one of my favorite excursions. Now, I'll admit I was scared when I first did it, but I am so glad I did. I did not regret it at all. So that's my zipline tour for Perfect Day Cocoa Cay. If you like this video, if you find it at all helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. And I'll see you soon. Bon voyage!